make it hard to talk about you. Like what I see, so I'm working my move. You give me butterflies. You the one for the mother guys.
I'm back. Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. As y'all seen that title in that thumbnail, it's your girl birthday vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on. We be notified when your girl drop a new video. So right now, y'all, I'm at my hair appointment. I'm finna go get my wig installed by the best hairstylist of them all. So I'm finna bring y'all guys along with me. So I'll see y'all guys inside because I gotta get in there before 11. You good?
That's what you've been. I was blind, I was in it, I was bad. Oh, I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior, that's what she is ashamed of you. Damn, look at what you become.
That is too pretty.
I'm trying not to cry.
Oh,
That's so cute.
That is.
It's happy tears because of the pictures.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it, Jada.
Girl, that's too cute.
Thank you.
How much you charge them?
Thank you.
They
Good. I'm gonna pull these hairs off right now. Yep. Ask me why.
Maybe you know it's
A little bit, because right now comes up. So I'm gonna give her a natural hairline because I don't like this. But you know, it's a
But don't pull
it's how the
all of
closures come. Yes, I am.
Cause what you gonna lay down the back here?
This right here.
Okay.
I'm pulling some more out.
Okay.
This gonna be
Cut off.
Yes. Yes.
Hey, cousin.
What are you doing? That's so funny. Yep. Anyway. I'm gonna be staying there for the next couple of weeks. Oh, well, shit. Coasting too. My girl Jada is a vlogger. And I be so jealous. Because I can't even take a picture of my nail video. I mean, a video of nails.
what?
And my girl can video her whole life. Because I just don't be having time.
You can post like reels. You can post like reels on there like you doing like
I
TikTok.
be trying. And it be hard to do what I'm saying. I be tired. Well, Kana, love you. I'll let you enjoy your day and your cigarette. Oh, let me show you this. She about to cry. No, you be high and emotional and crying and stuff.
Right, you want to try by yourself?
Lord Jesus. I'm all right. I'm all right. I'm all right.
There are so many ways to show your loved ones they're a gift.
Give the gift of Pandora jewelry and let your love shine even brighter. Be love. Shop Pandora jewelry today.
So you said she finna cry. Here she go.
I knew she was about to. She's so sensitive. I'm not showing Disney, but she gonna cry. And I'm talking.
She probably saw it on Snapchat.
That's what I'm about to say. She gonna have to see it on Snapchat.
She like, I'm finna fall and take her, make me one.
Babe, yeah. You'll be having some people telling me.
Right. My nail looks so ugly.
She said what?
I said my nail looks so ugly.
Your nails.
Mm-hmm.
Why you gonna get you some press-ons? I'm getting steamy in here.
Mm-hmm.
Just because my flat irons, I don't gotta. Your hair can be damp and I can still flat iron it and it won't damage it.
You're like, who did your hair? You already know. Y'all see, my hair is done. So I'm finna go home, finna go find me something to eat and chill with my kids until it's time for your girl to go out. Bro, this look like, this actually like my original, my natural hair. Like, look at it, y'all. It look like natural hair. Like, she did that. It look like I had got a blowout. Like, this my original hair, y'all. So I'll talk to you guys when I make it home. I just want to give y'all an update on my hair. There you go. I had to put my my thing on because I'm in the sun, so y'all can see what it looking like and all the good stuff. So I'll talk to you guys when I get home. Plus, I'm taking my kids to the Christmas parade. It better not be long, so I hope they start at 6. Probably like, yeah, at 6, so I can go change and all that good stuff. So yeah. Okay, welcome to the morning. Hey y'all, your girl got a TikTok. Let's see what she got in this good old bag, boo boo. So as y'all see, I got my receipt, receipt. So yeah, let's get right into it. So yeah, y'all, I got the MacBook Air. Let it load. Not on my face. There you go. Not on my face. So I think I'm gonna turn y'all around so y'all can see. I'm gonna put y'all down so y'all can see me opening up my goodies. So you guys look. Did I do it right? I need some cereal sauce or something. Oh, your girl is back. She back. She back. Ooh, my ready for the reveal. trying not to get the baby out. Ooh, ooh, she's so pretty. Y'all see the MacBook. Y'all can see the MacBook. So it comes with the charger. I'm gonna push it up a little bit. Okay, so it comes with the charger and this, and come with this, in order to good stuff. We gotta put this bad on the side and open up the kitty. I'm gonna bring y'all back down a little bit. So we're gonna open up baby. If it's open up baby. If it's open up baby. Ooh. If it's open up baby. We finna open up, babe. We finna open up, babe. Hola, mother's casa. We finna open up, babe. We finna open up, babe. I'm gonna do that later. My Wi-Fi. Okay, y'all, so sorry I didn't push the record button. So as y'all see, I got Bae all set up. She finna go, cause period. I'm gonna go to the so as y'all see, she getting set up and all that good stuff. Y'all, I'm so excited. I'm sorry about my ring light, y'all. I switched my ring light over because I cannot see my keyboards and all the good stuff. So whenever she get up and running, I'll come in to talk to you guys and all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna order me a case. This case, cause baby, I'm gonna need one. But whenever I get those, she going back in that box right there. Cause baby, who finna drop her? Not me. Since while we at this, I'm gonna do my TikTok video. So y'all wanna see me do my video? Y'all, oh, I should put it this way. That was so cute. My slow self, y'all. My slow self. This gonna be my birthday gift. Cause my daddy got me for my birthday. Cause I had one for my Christmas, but I guess I'm gonna call this my early birthday gift. My birthday gifts for my daddy. Hey y'all, welcome back to another TikTok shop purchase today. Excuse the boss, y'all. My baby, I don't know what she did. She was trying to see what mama got. So as y'all know, so I got this grouper hair. I got a hairband. I'm picking up everything. I got the box, y'all. Out the box. I got a hair cap. What else in here? I got a hair wax stick. This out. Baby, I got a comb, period. And I got the edge brush, and it comes with like a little comb too. And oh, this the edge control, y'all. I'm gonna put reading on the side. My slow bums. And last but not least, we got the milk, all the good stuff. So as y'all see, the products that I got, baby, Y'all finna see your girl using these. So make sure y'all click that link, that tag to get y'all one. So, cause y'all know your girl finna start using it. I don't know why I'm taking my computer all day just alone, but I'm sleepy. So I'm finna start doing my wigs, y'all, my wigs install. So I'm finna start how to do that. So y'all finna be seeing all my TikTok videos and all the good stuff. So yeah, the behind scene all my little TikTok videos that I got to do. I thought my mom was outside, y'all. I don't know what my mama is, so I don't be loud, cause like I said, I don't know what my mama is. She thinks she grown, wanna be all up in these streets and whatnot. So yeah, this she get ready, I'm gonna come back, y'all. I need to take my little thumbnail for my little computer. I'm bored, y'all just saying with me, y'all just saying with the girl, cause like I ain't got nothing to do with my life. Y'all, let me tell you about my little self. So my daddy ordered me a Macbook, right? I think it was like on my baby birthday that he ordered it, or the day before my baby birthday. So he had ordered me a MacBook, and y'all, so all that stuff. So, and the only thing I had to pay, like, it's not even saying on this receipt. The only thing I had to pay was $80, cause I had to return the old one that I had, cause it was like reused, re-prepared, something like that. Yo, they got me messed up. It did not come with no box or nothing. I wish I had recorded me going to that process. I was so mad, y'all, last night. So me and my cousin, we had went today. They rode with me down there to go get my new computer, cause I had to exchange it. That's how much I pay for my computer. So your girl, it's a MacBook. I finna edit on my MacBook, y'all. So yeah, y'all see me. I'm in that MacBook game now. Oh, I just thought about it. It's like 11:43. I mean 11:33. So I got to keep my receipt just in case. So, but I'm gonna just put it in here in my MacBook, so I can just keep up with it, so I can know where my receipt at. So it's right there in my MacBook thing. I like the charger, y'all. It's like the same color my MacBook. I got the midnight color. I ain't gonna put that in there yet, cause I'm gonna put my iPad back in there. I'm gonna put my MacBook back in there, cause I ain't got no case. And since, like I'm finna say, since I do junk case, y'all, I'm finna start doing my junk cases on my MacBook. So yeah, I'm finna still give me like two cases for my MacBook. Y'all, let me show you my TikTok. I'm gonna cut the sound out. I'm gonna insert it right there on the screen too, but I still finna flip my phone so y'all can see it. But like when I edit my video, I'm gonna like cut my sound out. I did this for my auntie.
Support, engagement. It only takes a couple of seconds.
I did this.
It don't take that long. You can eat.
Hey y'all, I'm back. So I did this for my hairstylist.
You make it hard to talk about you. Like what I see, so I'm working my move. You give me butterflies. You the one for the mother guys. At the start, I told a couple lies, but after that, I swear I really tried. Cut the real about my past niggas, and I hope you never thinking.
I'm gonna insert the picture on the screen and all of that stuff. So I wanna take your head off, y'all, cause I'm trying to figure out what it is. So it's gonna take a minute, but I'm gonna come back. Like I said, I'm gonna come back to let y'all know when my baby done uploaded. I'm gonna come back to talk to y'all whenever she done. Ooh, yeah, I'm gonna just come back and talk to y'all when I with it part done. I don't want to be loud no more because my kids is asleep and I don't want to wake them up because like who finna be up with them? Not me. They finna be in there with their granny. I love my kids, but mamas need her sleep too, y'all. Like y'all got y'all sleep, so my Macbook need to hurry up so I can go to sleep myself. So we still on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Guys, I'm on this part now. If y'all can see. Trying to zoom in. It says set it on my account and all that good stuff. So we're gonna see what happened next, guys. Come back when you're done. Okay, y'all, so you can eat it. Well, I'm on this part. It say make this your new Mac. So I'm going to see what I need to do and all of that good stuff. Okay, so I can just go like go push continue. It's I'm gonna have to push continue. Okay, just adding. I do my ID, y'all. It's ready, it's ready. Ooh, 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 ooh. Can I like add this later? Ain't nothing for to get on my stuff. Ooh, she in there like summer, boo boo. Period. I'm in there, y'all. So I don't know what she finna do today. So I think I'm finna go download some stuff. Okay. I'm trying to see something. Don't allow. So I'm going to text myself. I'm gonna be like, hey. Okay, period. She got it. All my stuff is on here and all that good stuff. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna talk to you guys tomorrow. I don't know what I doing. I'm gonna come and talk to you guys tomorrow when I set her up. I think I'm just gonna like download my apps and all of the good stuff. So yeah.
Just need to know where I've been. Oh, that was incredible. Mom. Do that. Rear view mirror. Go get you some and I'll do some.
You ate your breakfast?
What's so important about this race of yours anyway?
It's not just a race. I'm talking about the piston car. I've been dreaming about it my whole life. I'll be the first rookie in history ever to win. And when I do, looks like a big misfire. Private helicopters, no more medicated bumper limit, no more rusty old cars.
What's wrong with rusty old cars?
Well, I don't mean you, I mean other old cars. You know, not like you.
Everyone, it's my birthday.
And I'm back.
Hey, get it here. Get it here. It's my birthday. Babe, I love you. It's my birthday. I can play my song, y'all.
Okay. Like what I see, someone watching my move. You give me butterflies. You the one for the mother guys. At the start I told a couple lies, but after that that's why I really tried. Cut the real about my past niggas and I hope you never thinking otherwise. Sometimes my mind takes me places and I wonder why. Why the fuck you got 2 phones, nigga? What you doing on that other line? Shit better be some money talk, cause I'm beat talk or another vibe. I don't play about a side bitch and you heard me say about 100 times. Let me try and keep it sexy for you, we can talk about that another time. Now your ass in the worst way, that you hit it on the first day. What you gon' do for me, mama, for real? What do I give for my birthday? 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 You gotta put it on one. Wearing none, I ain't wearing none, I ain't wearing none. Yeah. Yeah. Big mama. Big mama. When he call me big, yeah. No, when he call me big mama, yeah. I better sit a TikTok and mean that without disrespect. I was a virgin before I met you, baby. I don't have an ex. Thought I told you bitches I pull up in 20 Cadillacs. Yeah, money long, she don't think it's tail, Georgia don't. I know. I've been that bitch. Been that bitch since the motherfucking first grade. All you hoes know what's up with me. It's my motherfucking birthday, but really every day my birthday though.
It's my birthday.
Yeah.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Come here.
It's my birthday.
Come here.
It's my birthday. Scoop, scoop. Girl, you just messed up the song. I'm done. We done. You're done. You banned it from my little DJ section. You just messed up the song. Okay, guys, I'm here because I got some goodies. Cause it's your girl D-Day. Cause pure. Let's start with this. My sister got me. This the bag my sister gave me. She got me a wallet. I got a wallet. I got a Coach wallet, y'all. Period. My mama give me this big old bag. So this big old bag. I think this is a Stanley cup. Stanley cup. Period. Okay. Stuff. Lotion. I think it's lotion. I don't know. Yeah, it lotion or soap. One of them. And I got another Dove. What you gonna do? Came out for real. What do I give my birthday? And I got another one. I was just about to order these. She got me. I can take out the bag. And she got me this for my Stanley cup. My Stanley cup, y'all. My Stanley. If it focus. My Stanley cup. Period. And oh, this is it. What are you drinking? And Rodway, okay. She got me a Rodway shirt, y'all. A Rodway shirt. Is this the, it comes with the payment? Is this the payment? It might be. And I got some pants. Some pants to go to it. Period. And she got me another one. Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna put this on my Stanley cup now. She got me another one, y'all. Another one. It say mom. Cause period. Cause I'm a mother. I'm a mother of 2. This is just a wasted cup, y'all. So I'm finna come back because I don't know where she get that cup from. thanks to my birthday gifts. Thanks to my kids for my birthday gifts. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm 27 and many more to come. I'm going to the Mexican tonight with my peeps because I went out this week with them. We're gonna have a ball. I'll be back. I'm gonna go get my other gifts. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So your girl got a... My thing's still sticky because I did it. Your girl got a MacBook. I did my MacBook thing. Look at the inside. Period. Baby got a MacBook. She maxed out. My early birthday gift. A MacBook. Y'all can see me start adding all of my videos. I got a Stanley. I got the gray and the pink for right now. Baby got a Stanley cup. As y'all know, that's where I got it from. Say who? Say who? Jump up and down, it's your birthday. That's all I got for my birthday, guys. I'm gonna talk to y'all later.
Yeah, we can. How much of that we want over here? Over here. Do you need a high chair? Yeah, I have it. Oh, wait. Why am I taking?
I should get money off y'all on my little TikTok. I'm gonna start posting y'all on my TikTok.
Yeah, they do fry this shit hard. Them big ass boys.
En que lenguas hablarte, venimos todos con gusto y placer a felicitarte.
Take the shot. Go. Hurry up.
Y'all, you can't sip and take it out.
You gotta drink it. Take it to the hair. You can 1, 2,
3.
go. Come on, drink.
Come on, baby. You can do it.
You can do it.
You thinking too much. Come on.
Come on, quit thinking too much and just drink it.
Yeah, you think it too much.
1.
1, 2, 3. Come on.
I ain't got nothing.
Okay, well, go ahead.
Drink some of the afterwards.
1, 2, 3. It ain't gonna bite you good.
That baby said she was drinking.
Come on, you can do it. Well, take a big sip out of there.
That take a swallow out of
Oh, yeah. Say happy birthday, mommy. Mama. Come on, drink.
Don't do that. Give me this.
The kid can't read
Give
it.
me that paper.
My dad.
Give it here.
You did it wrong. You be like, my dad.
Give it here. Yeah, get that tea. About me, big T-I-N to the Y-U-C. Happy January. Sean, get it.
Oh, this is the end of my video. I hope y'all enjoyed it and all of that good stuff. Sorry my birthday vlog is short because I didn't really do nothing on my birthday, but I still did something with my family and all that. Yo, as y'all see, I really not to record that much because I really don't want to pick up my camera because I won't do nothing, but still y'all got little clips in there what your girl did for her birthday. But I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe and turn the notification bell on. We be notified when your girl drop a new video. With that being said, I'll see y'all guys in my next vloggy vlog. Vloggy vlog, hey, vloggy vlog, vloggy vlog, hey.